Forward Jody Brown is mentally preparing herself for a busy 2022 season as Jamaica looks ahead to the CONCACAF Under-20 Championship and Senior Women's World Cup qualifiers early next year. But the St. Ann native is buoyed by the achievements of the last 3 years. Karen Madden has this story.
Fresh from helping Florida State University lift the Division I collegiate title, Jody Brown was called into a Jamaica Football Federation Under-17 and Under-20 camp as both teams prepare for their respective CONCACAF championships. When we caught up with the 19-year-old at the Captain Horace Burrell Center at UWI, she had already completed morning training, had breakfast, and was hanging out with teammates on their downtime. The communications major has grown from the shy 12-year-old she was when she first kicked a ball with her elder brother with the support of her parents.
He's like my twin. Everywhere he's at, I'm with him. Everywhere. Just if it's on the road, anywhere he's going, I just always with him. I started playing when I was 12 years old. Every day he normally get up and just go to soccer field. And I would normally follow him. My mom didn't stop me, my dad didn't stop me. So I just followed him, and from there, it just becomes a dream for me.
It's been something of a dream run for Brown. At 17, she was one of the youngest players at the 2019 FIFA World Cup, and not even the disruptions of the pandemic could prevent Florida State from lifting the 2021 Division I title, with Brown scoring 4 goals and having 10 assists.
That was just an awesome feeling. I think everyone who wants to play in college have that dream, and I was just happy that I was able to accomplish that with my team and help them to lift the championship this year.
It's not an easy balance for the college sophomore, but it's a challenge the national under-20 captain relishes.
Yes, I definitely want to be a part of both teams because I think I can do so much for both teams. Confidence that I have, I think I just have the ability to work with both teams and just help each and everyone to get better and push everyone.
The Limehall native admits that she's achieved more than she ever dreamt, but hailed her supportive family.
No, honestly, I didn't have no dreams of going to college. From where I am, I just think I wouldn't be able to make it.
The CONCACAF Under-20 Championships is scheduled for February 25 to March 12, 2022 in the Dominican Republic, while the senior reggae girls will hunt a second appearance at the World Cup in the CONCACAF qualifiers, with the hosts' first game against Bermuda on February 17. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.